how to see liked videos on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can see liked videos on YouTube, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to see liked videos on YouTube, all you have to do is open the YouTube application, and let's say that you have happened to like many videos in the past and you want to find all those liked videos. It's very simple. Just tap the library icon from the bottom right, and right on the playlist section you will be able to see liked videos, which is of course more than 5,000 or 10,000 or whatever else. When you tap on it, you will be able to see a list of all the videos that you've liked in the past, starting from shorts to normal videos. And this way you will be able to see your liked videos on YouTube. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.